Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to use PayPal digital wallet. Now, in order to use a PayPal digital wallet, let us understand what is actually a PayPal. Basically, PayPal is an online payment system that allows users to send and receive money, shop online and manage their payments. Pay is available in millions of the places worldwide. Now, to use PayPal digital wallet, you need to first of all install the application. So for that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in PayPal and make sure to install it. After you're done installing it, click the open button, and now you'll need to go ahead and register for it. So basically, you just need to go ahead and create. So click on sign up. Now you need to begin with the procedure. So I'm going to go ahead and select my country first of all. After which you want to go ahead and select the account that you want to register with, or select the Gmail account. So now that I've signed up with PayPal, now I just need to go ahead and enter in my phone number. So type in that. So a verification code will be sent to the registered phone number, and you just need to go ahead and enter in that. Now create a new password and click the next button. After which you just go ahead and enter in your personal details and click the verify button. Once done creating your account, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked whether you want to link a debit card or credit card. If you want to do it so, just enter in the card number and then you need to go ahead and proceed on to the next page, or else you could simply go ahead and skip this part as well. Now you could go ahead and proceed on to transfer or either receive money from your friends and family. So you just have to go ahead and open up the home page, and then you could start sending them money, or you could go ahead and add a bank account, or you could link your debit card so that you could add amount to your PayPal account. So that's the way you could use PayPal. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.